Hey everybody, it is Plastic Man again with another quick fix. Here we have our 2017 Subaru Impreza, which had a screen problem. The screen had like a bunch of static on it, looked like it had blown, and I mean my wife wanted to get rid of the car, it was that bad. But what I figured out after doing this, I hit settings, and I went all the way down to factory data reset, and I did one of those, and the screen came back. As you can see, it's fine now, but I determined what the problem was her cord that went from her iPhone to the car, in which here you see we've gotten a new one. It's a black one, but the old one she had was from a certain retailer that imports a lot of stuff from China, and it was super cheap. It was white, and it fluctuated. It glowed different colors. It was kind of crazy, but I noticed that it was at the rate it fluctuated, and kind of flashed these colors. It was the same thing that was going on with the dash. So it was just a weird coincidence that the cord went and then the dash went, or the screen went in the dash, or was it because of the cord? I'm guessing it was because of the cord. But anyway, buy a new cord if your screen gets funky and do a factory reset. That's what happens to fix it. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.